Exercise 3.4, question number 5. Find the value of cos 105 degree, sin 105 degree, tan 7 pi by 12. First one, cos of 105 degree. 105 degree can be written as 60 degree plus 45 degree. So this is cos of 60 degree plus 45 degree. We have formula for cos of alpha plus beta. Cos of alpha plus beta is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. So using this formula, this can be written as cos 60 degree cos 45 degree minus sin 60 degree sin 45 degree. We know the value of all this. 1 by 2, 1 by root 2 minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Multiplying 1 by 2 root 2 minus root 3 by 2 root 2. Subtracting, denominator same, so subtracting the numerator 1 minus root 3 by 2 root 2. Second subdivision, sin of 105 degree. Sin of 60 degree plus 45 degree. Now this is of the form sin of alpha plus beta. That is sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. So this is sin 60 degree cos 45 degree plus cos 60 degree sin 45 degree. Substituting the values, root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2. Multiplying root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Adding root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Third one, tan of 7 pi by 12. Converting this into degree. 7 pi by 12 into 180 by 12 pi cancel. 12 cancelling with 180 15 times. 7 into 15 is 105. So 7 pi by 12 is 105 degree. Tan 105 degree. 105 degree is 60 plus 45. So tan of 60 degree plus 45 degree. Now this is of the form tan of alpha plus beta. So tan 60 degree plus tan 45 degree divided by 1 minus tan 60 degree tan 45 degree. Or already நம்ம sin 105 cos 105 கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். So tan 105 can be written as sin 105 degree by cos 105 degree. So இதை டைரக்டாக சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணியும் கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம், அல்லது இந்த ஃபார்முலாலையும் கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். Now substituting the values, tan 60 is root 3 plus tan 45 is 1. Root 3 plus 1 divided by 1 minus root 3 into 1. So that is root 3 plus 1 divided by 1 minus root 3. To rationalize the denominator, multiply and divide by conjugate. 1 minus root 3 ki conjugate 1 plus root 3. So into 1 plus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. Now numerator is of the form 1 plus root 3 into 1 plus root 3 liya. So that can be written as 1 plus root 3 whole square divided by a minus b into a plus b. So this is 1 square minus root 3 square. So this is expanding 1 plus 2 root 3 plus 3 divided by 1 minus 3. Numerator 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Numerator 2 common, we are taking 2. 2 into 2 plus root 3 by minus 2. 2 cancel ஆயிடும். So இந்த minus n மேலே எடுத்துட்டு போயிட்டு minus of 2 plus root 3. Therefore tan 7 pi by 12 equal to minus of 2 plus root 3. Question number 6. Prove that cos of 30 degree plus x equal to root 3 cos x minus sin x by 2. Second one, cos of pi plus theta equal to minus cos theta. 3. Sin of pi plus theta equal to minus sin theta. First one, cos of 30 degree plus x. This is of the form cos of alpha plus beta. So applying the formula, this is cos 30 degree cos x minus sin 30 degree sin x. We know the value for cos 30 degree and sin 30 degree. So substituting root 3 by 2 into cos x minus 1 by 2 into sin x. LCM 2. So this is root 3 cos x minus sin x by 2. Second one, cos of pi plus theta. This is also of the same form, cos of alpha plus beta. So cos pi cos theta minus sin pi sin theta. Cos pi is minus 1 into cos theta minus sin pi is 0 into sin theta. Multiplying minus cos theta and this is 0. That is equal to minus cos theta. Third one, sin of pi plus theta. This is of the form sin of alpha plus beta. So this is sin pi cos theta plus cos pi sin theta. Sin pi is 0 into cos theta plus cos pi is minus 1 into sin theta. 0 into cos theta, 0. This is minus sin theta. That is equal to minus sin theta. Hence, proved. So, we are using this formula. Cos of a plus b. அல்லது alpha plus beta. என்ன வேணாலும் எடுத்துக்கலாம். Cos of a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos pi is minus 1 and sin pi is 0. Question number 7. Find a quadratic equation whose roots are sin 15 degree and cos 15 degree. Sin 15 degree, cos 15 degree. ரெண்டு roots. இதை வச்சு நம்ம quadratic equation கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So, first let us find the value of sin 15 degree and cos 15 degree. Sin 15 degree equal to sin 15 degree can be written as 45 degree minus 30 degree. This is of the form sin of alpha minus beta. So, sin 40 degree cos 30 degree minus cos 45 degree sin 30 degree. Substituting the values 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. Multiplying root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Denominator same. Subtracting the numerator, we get root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Next, cos 15 degree. Cos 45 degree minus 30 degree. This is cos 45 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 45 degree sin 30 degree. Cos 45 1 by root 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus sin 45 1 by root 2 sin 30 1 by 2. Multiplying root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Adding root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now, after finding sin 15 degree and cos 15 degree, now to form the quadratic equation, we can find sum of the roots and product of the roots. First, sum of the roots. Adding the two values. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Adding root 3 minus 1 plus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Here plus 1 and minus 1 cancel. Root 3 plus root 3 is 2 root 3 by 2 root 2. 2 cancel ஆயிடும். So root 3 by root 2. Product of the roots. Multiply the two roots. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Multiplying the numerator. Numerator is of the form a minus b into a plus b. So this is root 3 square minus 1 square divided by multiplying the denominator. 2 into 2, 4. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 4 into 2, 8. Root 3 square is 3 minus 1 by 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 8. Cancel panina 1 by 4. Now we have sum of the roots and product of the roots. Now we can form quadratic equation. Therefore, quadratic equation whose roots are sin 15 degree and cos 15 degree is equal to x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. x square minus sum root 3 by root 2 into x plus product 1 by 4 equal to 0. That is x square minus root 3x by root 2 plus 1 by 4 equal to 0. Taking LCM root 2 4. LCM is 4. So, இதை 4 ஆல் multiply பண்ணலாம் 4x square. இந்த root 2 இருக்கிறதுனால இதை root 2 root 2 ஆல் multiply பண்ணணும். So, minus 2 root 2 into root 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Cross multiplying, we get 4x square minus 2 root 2 into root 3 is root 6x plus 1 equal to 0. 4x square minus 2 root 6x plus 1 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation.